अपनी ज़िंदगी का कैप्टन खुद ही बनो. Happy Diwali to all my friends. My name is Captain Amit Bhandari. For all those who don't know me yet, I'm a life coach, hypnotherapist, counselor with 29 years experience in the marine oil and gas industry, helping you make a better life out at sea so that you have that confidence and reach up to those dream salaries, and all of this with extreme relationship levels, because you don't want to compromise and walk over people while you attain that, because end of the day you are doing this for happiness, and bad relationships will never give you happiness, no matter where you are, whether at sea or in your house or in your professional world. I remember when I first became a captain. I did not know how to carry myself. I was trying to be like other captains that I had known. I was trying to be like somebody else. I used to even laugh, thinking this is how captains should now laugh. No jokes. But I was trying to even alter my laughter so that I laugh like a captain. My steward, my officers, my engineer officers should not feel that captain is too young, captain doesn't know anything, ये क्या नया लड़का आया है, because I was a captain at 29. But down the line, as I understood that being a captain is all about being yourself first, because when you are yourself, that's when you are in the present. And when you are in the present, then you know where to go. But if you do not even accept where you are at the moment, you will find it very difficult to make any changes in life, because you're always living in denial. So I then got settled in my own skin to be a captain, and that's when I actually got a earring and I got a tattoo done. I think some of you have seen my tattoo here. Let me show this. So I got this tattoo done when I was 31, and I always dreamt of making a tattoo when I was in college. So finally, as a captain, when I got settled in my own behavior, I started doing the things that I love to do. It reminded me of my college, when in college I was trying to be friends with people who probably were not interested in being friends with me, but I just found them cool and I was trying to be part of their circle. And it's a sad disgrace, because when you do that and you're not being yourself, the world will also shun you. These are some of the lessons you will learn in life as you move along. Sometimes experience is the only way to learn. In the universe, like a menu card, the universe always says be whatever you want and get whatever you want in life. But don't get carried away by this illusion of choice, because the only choice you need to make is the choice to be yourself. Try that and see the magic that will happen. Have a good day.